Do you want to know how you can log into your Old Breeze Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Old Breeze Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Old Breeze Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Old Breeze Capital. You can see login on the left hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can see option of portfolio management services, mutual fund, and all of these. So go ahead and click mutual fund. It will take you to this login portal where you can see you can log in using your PAN card or your OTP code. Go ahead and write down your PAN number in this and then write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Old Breeze Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your password or your user ID, these are the links for you to recover your account. You can also keep yourself logged in by clicking on this button over here. If you want to sign in using OTP, go ahead and click it, write down your PAN number, click generate OTP, and an OTP code will be sent to your Gmail or your phone number. Write down the OTP on the screen and then you can log into your Old Breeze Mutual Fund account using your OTP as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.